Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Design Channel. In this video, I'm testing Affinity 3-Pixel Vector and Layout Studio, the amazing Typography Studio as well. Let's place the image. Link to the original image is in the description of this video. File, then Place. Shortcut Ctrl-Shift and M. This image is too large. We can scale it down in the Transform panel. Check the chain link icon to maintain proportional width and height. It came out quite nice. You can also scale by clicking on the corner and dragging. Hold down Shift for equal proportions. I will use the Selection tool. In the Pixel Studio, click Object Selection tool from the left toolbar. You can also use the Selection Brush tool. I like the object selection. It is fast, and it selects the most prominent object on the image. You can add selected areas to selection by holding down Shift and click on the objects, the same way you can subtract areas by holding down Alt. To scale the brush size, hold down Ctrl and Alt, left-click and drag left and right. Next, I'm using the Refine options. It is available on the toolbar above the image whenever the selection tool is active. For this testing project, I will use the default settings, but you can also test the options. Toggle the ramp line to add pixels to selection or background. The image looks good. Let's test this on a green background. It looks good. If you are watching till now, help the channel by subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you. Now let's add some text. I will use the Artistic Text tool, Shortcut T. In the Vector and Pixel Studio, the options are in the toolbar above, but in the Typography Studio, there are options to be explored. I will use Caps Lock and the double underline. For the Frame Text tool, I have prepared Lorem Ipsum dummy text. We can play around with text options, different fonts, colors, and sizes. But above all, I wanted to wrap the text around the image. For this purpose, click on the image, then go Text, Wrap Text. I will use Wrap Style Type. You can test any of the options. I will set some distance between image and text, then just move the image towards the text. Magic. It came off beautifully. Now we need some space to create some vector shapes. Let's make some mess. I love those ready-made shapes in the Vector Studio. They can be edited with various tools in Affinity Studio, and we can also create new vector shapes from scratch. I will change this drop shape color. Let's test the brush tool. It looks nice. Okay, it's a mess, but we can change the thickness. Now the Layout Studio. We can add blank artboards, and we can also copy artboards with elements. Thus, we can replace or change the elements. There is a lot to be explored in the Layout Studio of Affinity. For now, I will just export PDF of the whole document and PNG of one of the artboards. I have experience in Adobe, but I'm quite new to Affinity. Let's explore Affinity together, subscribe, and wait for new videos. See you in the next one.
Thank you all!